At Logan Services, the best measure of our work isn't what we say, it's what our customers have to say.
So we got our first unit there in Troy probably 15 years ago and have been really satisfied with it. And after living here for a few days and putting up with the noise of the system and the air movement, I said it's time to call Logan Services again. The air movement is real good when it is calling for heat or air conditioning. You can hardly hear it. The movement of the air is smooth. It keeps it within the temperature range we want, and we're really happy with it. Well, I love my family enough to get the best Trane that I could buy. I thought we deserve it. You know, they take care of my family and they treat you like family. When they come, they're friendly, they're courteous, respectful to you, and understand what you're asking for.
At Logan Services, we're proud to treat every customer like family.